Hi and welcome. I hope you are having a fantastic day. Welcome to Cryptocurrency News. And today, well, it's Libra, Libra, where art thou? All right, so I would never make it as a Shakespearean actor. In fact, I think trying to be a Shakespearean actor would be a very difficult profession to pursue. I don't know that there's very many Shakespearean actors out there in today's market. Anyway, Libra, where are you hiding? I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I am not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Do your own research. So, we're going to talk a little bit about, as you may have already guessed, Facebook and their Libra cryptocurrency. And this week, Facebook was appearing before the United States Congress, and Facebook said it will not launch cryptocurrency, the Libra cryptocurrency, until the U.S. regulators approve, which is an unexpected position for Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook to take, because everybody was expecting that if they couldn't get regulatory approval from the United States and from other countries, that they would launch it in countries that did give them approval. In a prepared statement to a House Oversight Committee, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg said plans to launch a global payment system will remain on hold until U.S. regulators approve it. The comments end speculation that the Libra coin could go live in nations where there is no government pushback. In June, Financial Services Committee Chair Maxine Waters asked Facebook in a letter to pump the brakes on its Libra launch, given the company's troubled past, until officials can examine issues associated with it more closely and take action. So, as we all know, if you've got to wait for the government to take action, man, you could grow old waiting on that. So it's completely understandable why so many people prior to Mark Zuckerberg making this public statement at Congress that Libra would not launch until they had United States regulatory approval. So very, very interesting. The Libra cryptocurrency and its Calibra online wallet had been scheduled to launch in 2020, but U.S. regulators argued too little was known about the digital money and its potential to enable money laundering, adhere to Know Your Customer rules, and could threaten user privacy. French and German regulators also said they would not allow Libra to launch within their borders because it could threaten the euro's value and unlawfully privatize money. I thought that statement was quite interesting because it wasn't that long ago that a German bank, and this is owned by the government of Germany, but this German bank came out with a paper that espoused the benefits of Bitcoin and even came out with a price prediction that Bitcoin by 2020 would reach $90,000 before the end of 2020. And then here are these other, so that came from a German-owned bank. It's a state-owned bank, came out with this entire paper espousing Bitcoin. And then the German regulators are concerned about unlawfully privatizing money. Well, I don't know why that doesn't apply to Bitcoin, but maybe the German regulators will give clarity to that in the future. This is an image of the Calibra wallet and what artist rendition thinks that the Calibra wallet might look like. While we debate these issues, the rest of the world isn't waiting. And this is a quote from Mark Zuckerberg. China is moving quickly to launch similar ideas in the coming months, Mark Zuckerberg said in the prepared remarks. Libra will be backed mostly by dollars, and I believe it will extend America's financial leadership as well as our democratic values and oversight around the world. If America doesn't innovate, our financial leadership is not guaranteed. So while there's a number of things that Facebook and Mark Zuckerberg have said and done in the past that I disagree with, this is a situation that I do agree with them. I think that if America doesn't do something in the regards of cryptocurrency, that we could be left in the dust, so to speak. One of the big reasons why I say that is it wasn't that long ago that China's central bank announced that they have finished development on their own cryptocurrency, that it's ready to launch. and that their cryptocurrency is only waiting for merchants to do the coding they need to do in order to be able to use the cryptocurrency on the merchant platforms. And so the Chinese government is on the verge of releasing its own cryptocurrency, and this would be from the Central Bank of China. And that could be huge. We could see if America and other free countries don't get on the ball when it comes to cryptocurrency, we could see the Chinese government increase its current domination in the cryptocurrency market. And the reason why I say domination is because the China owns more of the hash power. They own a huge amount of the hash power. If you go out there and buy a cryptocurrency miner for Bitcoin, most likely that miner was made and built in China. The biggest cryptocurrency mining farms are in the country of China. They are a very big player in the cryptocurrency industry. And so if the United States government doesn't start moving more quickly, we could be left behind by China, and it could become the dominant player in the cryptocurrency, in the digital money field, online digital money. And so could be quite interesting. There's a lot more good stuff in this article. I'm not going to get into it right now, but I will leave a link down below. So if you want to continue with the article, find out more about the Libra coin, find out more about what Mark Zuckerberg had to say to Congress, you can be my guest. Just click the link below to get to the article and take a look at it. In the meantime, how can I be of service to you? Please leave comments below. I'm interested in hearing your polite disagreements because that's how both of us are going to learn. Love to hear from you, and I hope you do make a comment below. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and hodl. Hope you have a fantastic day.